Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, we're going to be building this Mattel Brick Shop Honda S2000, and I'm super excited about this one. Obviously, it does come with the actual Hot Wheel car itself, and usually with these sets, the exact spec of the car is unique to these sets themselves. So it looks like this one does have like some little vents in the hood that are specific to this one that are on the print, which actually looks really cool. So I'm excited to bust this thing open, do the build on it. I do have a link in the description down below for a bunch of other of these sets. I do have the Audi R8 LMS, which do have some Amazon links in the description down below. This one, I don't know if I have any links by the time this video goes live, but definitely check that out. I'm going to have some of the other ones in there as well. But yeah, I'm really excited to bust into this. This is going to be a really cool set, and you can either have the plain streetcar version right there, or you can have like the race car version with all the extra decals and all that kind of stuff. So I'm kind of curious to see what I want to do with this. I might make it match the Hot Wheel and just do like the clean, subtle street look. But after looking at the picture here with all the extra decals, I think there's some really awesome options here. I will say this does come with a couple set of wheels. So you have a standard Hot Wheels kind of wheel right there, and they have actual licensed Rays wheels, which you can see their logo right there. But it even has a little Rays logo on the rim itself. So yes, the standard Hot Wheel has like the silver wheels, but I might just do the Rays one because those are licensed and they just look freaking awesome. But yeah, let me go ahead, bust this thing open, and start the build. Alright, let me slide this little tray out, which has the rims, the wheels, and the Hot Wheel itself. So let me pop this car out real quick and show you guys what that looks like. Alright, so this is the car itself. Obviously a yellow Honda S2000, but I don't recall the last time they did a yellow one having like the vents on the hood like that, or even the black roof with the painted little roof scoop there. I think this looks amazing. Even like the back end looks really good. It has the Honda logo there, the actual tail lights, the brake lights, the headlights are on here as well. So this one is a very detailed version. So I'd have to like get another one side by side of like the standard yellow Honda S2000. I think this one does have more detail on it. But I'm going to set that aside for now. I'm going to go ahead, dump out all the pieces. I'm going to start the build, and then if there's anything like really cool that's going to be inside the car, maybe like the engine bay or like the interior, I'll catch back up with you guys in just a second and show you guys some of that along the way. But let me go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm making my way through the build, and honestly, because it's such a small car, there's not a ton of detail, but it does have these really cool red seats, and then obviously right-hand drive. But there's even like a little screen in the middle too, which is like a little navigation, and then it's kind of hard to see, but behind the steering wheel there's like a little gauge cluster. As far as the interior is concerned, that's pretty much it. There's no engine or anything in this. It's just like completely kind of built up blocks. But we are about to, I guess, put the doors together and finish it up. So I'll catch back up with you guys in just a second with the final build. Alright, so I am done with the Honda S2000, and I think this looks so good, especially with those white wheels. The back end looks so detailed with like the logo there, the tail lights, the license plate, and then you got the headlights up front, you got the little vents right there as well. Even the little Honda S2000 there on the front fender. Man, this thing looks so cool. It even has a little roof scoop there up on top. And man, I love this. And then, of course, the doors even open up as well, so you can kind of see inside of there. Man, this is such a cool build. It's really small, but honestly, I think it's really awesome. Then like the custom pieces, like the wing and everything, that are obviously made specifically for this, and even like that grill, it looks so good. But let me see if I can set this up on top of there. There it is with the actual like Hot Wheels. You can kind of see the size reference of that. Man, this is so cool. Even like I really like the little vents in the hood. That looks really awesome. Then like I said, the hood scoop. Man, this is so cool. Everything about this is very detailed, especially for like the size. Like the attention to detail is really good. But like I said, if I am able to get a link for this, I'm going to add it down in the description down below. Like I said, there are other ones down there, like such as the Audi R8 LMS, and a few others I actually have that you can pick up on Amazon. So if you guys do want to pick up either this build or some of the others, there's going to be those links down in the description down below. I mean, you can hop on Amazon, have your house tomorrow, and get started building or right away, because these are actually really cool, really detailed, and Mattel Brick Shop Shop did a great job with these. But if you guys did like this video, go down, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and a bunch of other awesome Hot Wheel content. But like I said, like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.